So the article that I selected is called Profiles of Adolescents, Perceptions of Democratic Classroom Climate and Students' Influence, the Effect of School and Community Context. The article is based on a 2009 nationally represented sample of different 8th grade students in 4 different countries: Denmark, Finland, Norway, and Sweden. Its main points were super simple and just showed how the smaller effects of implementing a democratic classroom have profound effects on how students operate in the classroom, which also translates to how they'll operate later on in society. Some of the points include the importance of civic knowledge, civic efficacy, attitudes, and participation, and how it translates to better results on the class climate surveys that were given to the students. They also found in different studies that they noted in the article that lower behavioral and emotional school engagement were noted among U.S. boys and adolescents from lower income families. It also stated in other countries like Australia and Germany that girls perceive their schools as more supportive of student participation and that they have a higher sense of community when at school. So after reading through this entire article, I think it has some really important messages in it for educators to hear. It shows that we should make sure that we're giving students the best possible environment for them and their developmental needs, and that while they're in school, they do need to learn things about how to be in a democracy when they're in society as an adult as well. The last thing about the article that was super helpful were the 12 images that were listed at the top. These pictures show different charts and diagrams that show results from the research studies that they conducted. And as a visual learner myself, I found these super helpful to show the correlations and differences in results of the different countries. From my website, I found an article that was called A Democratic Approach to Classroom Management. It was published by the Association for Supervision and Curriculum Development. It shows the steps that are needed to develop a democratic community, how to connect it to curriculum, and the personal results that the author had from implementing it into our 7th grade classroom. So overall, between the two resources, I found them both really informative, and they both gave me a better understanding of what a democratic classroom is.